Why does your scanner show the P2078 engine code? What does it mean? P2078 is a diagnostic trouble code for Intake Manifold Tuning IMT Valve Position Sensor Switch Circuit High Bank 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a problem with the sensor that monitors the position of the intake manifold tuning valve, specifically that the voltage signal is too high. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IMT valve position sensor. Circuit issues. IMT valve problems. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge Journey, Chrysler 300, and Chevy Sonic. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.